Would not be possible without this week's amazing sponsor, Remarkable. This is the Remarkable 2 paper tablet, and this is how I'm going to keep this video organized. Let me show you. In today's world, we're connected and reachable at all hours of the day. If you use your computer or phone to design a project, it's very easy to get distracted by pop-up notifications, which are usually not even important. That's why I love Remarkable. It's designed for writing, reading, and sketching only, with no social media, email, or summer concert alerts to distract me from what needs to end in an email right from the device. Old school paper cannot do that. It's a really lots of contrast, which means a wasted paper. No more using the cloud-based build kit. It's pretty sweet that I can tie them. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Putting them together. This is the simplest joint, but it also happens to be techniques. Well, this and wood movement, but more on that in a little bunch of straws. The tiny bundles on the surface, so the glue can't do its job very well if it's no glue will remain on the surface of the straw. Anyway, there are a few ways that you could go about making. Look at the plain green of the straw. You need to put a base layer of glue before you actually glue it. Easy to drill, but it's more precise if you also use a dowel jig. And there are a couple of awesome dowel jigs on the market, or you can make one like I did here. I'll link to this video where I made this and I show how to use it. I also have a lot of builds on my channel where dowels were the main method of joinery, like this desk and this nightstand. Another option is this thing, but I'm personally not a fan, and I know this is what are going to argue
tracing up so much.
Anyway, another controversial method to reinforce a butt joint, and everyone's favorite, pocket holes. For those not aware, pocket holes are holes drilled at an angle so you can attach two boards with a screw at an angle. The benefit and product. So, here's a bunch of settings. You and don't want to not and that is even if you rather remarkable and different. Without that, it's non-possible. How you on the next
Features the push track.
Shit. Still oh shit. Look. Just well. It's true. It's true. Oh shit. See that? Shit. I mean, it's better than it was, but it's still shit. Let's see how it goes. Well, that's pointless. Ah! No, I did shit. Oh, no, I did. No, I lost half of it. Show me, sir. Oh, it's been sanding for half a day. Oh, does look pretty good actually. Oh, how's that looking?